welcome to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're on Vyroko channel. Hi people, you're welcome to my channel. You're on Vyroko channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope everyone is doing well wherever you find yourself. I greet everybody. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I thank all of you that keep coming back to watch my videos. I thank you so much. And if today is the first time you're coming by my video by chance, or somebody shared this video with you on this channel, I actually share my recipes that I prepare in my home, my homemade recipes, because I believe we are what we take inside, and I share my natural remedies. Today I will be sharing one of my natural remedies that have been working for me and my family for years. I believe in natural remedies. Yes, I've been using it and it's working for me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Let me go straight to it. Today I'm going to be sharing this ginger remedy with you guys. It's a natural home remedy. Ginger is very good. It has a lot of benefits. Yes, it's a natural antibiotic that a lot of people do not know. So I'm going to be using this ginger. I will be using the honey, lime, okay, and I'm going to be using the juice extractor to extract it. But if you don't have a juice extractor, it's not a problem. You can always use your blender to blend it and then you extract it with a sieve. I'm going to be cutting my ginger into pieces. I've previously washed them well. Yes, I've washed them. You cut them into bits. You don't need to remove the skin. This is how I do it. I wash it, I cut them into bits. So I'm going to be extracting the juice. This is very good for your colds, for flu, for your sore throat. It's very good. Give it a try, guys. So I'm going to be putting them here to extract the juice. You guys are going to see how the shaft will come out of one side and the juice will come out of this side. So this is so good. It is healthy, very healthy. You guys can see how the extractor is extracting the juice from the ginger. Guys, give this a trial. Give this a try. You will come back to thank me, because this is a natural medicine. A lot of people are ignoring it, but this is so good. It's so good for you. Yes, it's good for your flu, your colds, sore throat, whatever. It's even good for body aches. This is so good. I've been trying this remedy for over 6 years. I've been on it now, and it's working for me and my family, guys. So I'm going to show you guys these bottles. I normally have plenty of them. I put the juice in it. Okay, I've finished. I put the juice in it and put in the fridge. So normally me and my family will just take a little to prepare tea or to prepare the home remedy. So you just have a tablespoon. If it's in case of you have cold or flu, or you have a sore throat, you can take this for like 3 times a day, if not more, depending. A tablespoon of lime. This is lemon juice we're going to put there. Okay, I'm going to be putting a little bit of this one because I'm not adding water. It's powerful, very powerful. You don't need to boil it. put just a little bit like so. Yeah, okay, because it's very powerful, it's very spicy. A tablespoon of honey. You add to it, and you are good to go, guys. You give it a good stir, stir it. You don't need to boil it. This is powerful, like so. It's so good. Yes, if you have flu, you have fever, whatever you have, just give this a try, guys. A try will convince you. Stir like so, and you drink it. I'm going to drink it for you guys. This home remedy, it is super. It's a bomb. Give it a try. So you drink it for. It's hot and spicy, guys. Yes. Or you drink this, you are good to go. I'm drinking it to show you guys how it is. So like always, I've come to the end of today's video. It's a short one, just to show you guys one of my home remedies. I want you guys to give it a try. Leave your comment below. If you have any questions about this, leave your comment. I'm always there to answer you guys. I repeat, if you don't have the juice extractor, it's not a problem. You can use the blender. You blend it and sieve it out. It's the same effect it's going to give you. This one, I'm going to be pouring it here. I'll pour it here. I cover it. You put this one in the fridge. This can stay up to 5 days, the whole week. You can just be taking small. If it's too spicy for you, you can add a little bit of water to it, guys. Thank you so much. Till I come your way again, it's bye from Vyroko. Remain blessed. Bye. Thank you.